My name is Leah.
Hi, my name is Charnay, and we're dietetic interns from Ball State University, currently working with the American Dairy Association of Indiana. The experiment we're doing today is making homemade yogurt. This will help you to better understand the lactic acid fermentation process that occurs.
Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. We'll need our milk. We'll need to take out our yogurt to warm up to room temperature by the time we need it. We'll need a mixing bowl. We'll need a whisk, a slotted spoon, our thermometer. We'll need a kitchen towel as well as a bathroom towel or a large blanket, and then we'll need our large pot with a lid.
Start by heating 8 cups of whole milk over medium heat until it reaches 200 degrees, making sure you're stirring often to prevent it from burning. Once the milk has reached 200 degrees, you can turn off the heat and let the milk temperature reduce to 135 degrees. Cooling our milk down to 135 degrees is an important step to ensure that our good bacteria is not destroyed once added to our milk, but also keeps the milk warm enough that it creates a nice, warm environment for the good bacteria to grow. When the warm milk reaches 135 degrees, remove the milk film that has developed with a slotted spoon. Now we can take out 2 scoops of milk from our pot and gently mix with our yogurt to create our starter bacteria. This starter bacteria provides the live cultures that jumpstart the fermentation process. Once our starter is well mixed, we add it back into our big pot of warm milk and gently mix everything together. Finally, it's time to incubate. Cover the pot with a kitchen towel to absorb any steam and then secure the towel with a lid. Then wrap the whole pot in a large folded towel or blanket. Allow the milk to incubate and ferment, untouched, for 8 to 10 hours. The longer it sits, the more thick and creamy it will be.
After 8 to 10 hours of incubation, you can finally taste your homemade yogurt, and be sure to add some of your favorite toppings like strawberries or honey.
As for nutrition facts, a serving size of 1 cup of this yogurt provides 147 calories, 12 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of proteins, 8 grams of fat, and is a good source of calcium, potassium, and vitamin A. That concludes our science lesson on fermentation, probiotics, and how to make homemade yogurt. Thank you for watching!
Let us know if you tried this experiment at home, and be sure to always have adult supervision when working with heat. Make sure to subscribe to Indiana Dairy YouTube channel for more fun, educational videos. Bye!